YouTube was good. Cut by TP3 and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, as y'all can see, I got a good one for y'all. My boy's been with him for a couple months. He's looking real bad. He need me to bring him back to life. I'm gonna show y'all how to go from this to this. If y'all like what y'all see, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below what other videos y'all like to see. Let me know what y'all think about this video. Let's jump right into it. I ain't wasting no time. So the first thing you want to do when cutting anybody with waves, you want to always make sure that you comb their hair out. So waves are just laid down curls, so you want to pull all those curls out and get them nice and stretched out. So when you run the clipper through, you don't run the risk of patching him or leaving him with any light spots. You want to get a nice even cut. So the first thing I do is I put the 2 guard on and I go through with the 2 guard, but we actually went down to a 1.5 guard just to get it lower, but still dark enough to keep the waves, everything nice and laid down. So I'm setting in my ball line with my trimmers, getting it nice and bald, and then I'm gonna go on my lever open about 1/4 of an inch, and then I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna go halfway and I'm gonna blend that first line out. Next, I'm gonna put the 1 guard on fully closed, and I'm gonna go up about the same width that I just did, and then I'm gonna put the 1/2 guard on. Started with it fully open, then I'm gonna close it, and then open it up halfway and then go up about halfway. Now I'm going to throw the 1.5 guard on and then go up about the same width that I just did, and notice all my lines that I'm making are the exact same width. And then I'm going to throw the 1 guard on and I'm going to start with the lever fully open, and then I'm going to close it up halfway and I'm going to fade out that next line. The key to a nice even fade is you want all your lines that you're putting in to be the same width. Then I put my 2 guard on and I'm not even making a line. I'm just flicking out, trying to flick into the top. Then I put the 1.5 guard on and I'm still just flicking at that top. Not really trying to set in the lines, I'm just trying to fade out with my corners. Now on the other side, I'm just gonna speed it up because the same thing I did on the left side is the same thing I'm gonna do exactly on the right side. Now the same steps that I did on the sides I'm going to do to the back as well, but I'm just going to let you guys see me fade out the back in real time, setting in that ball line first, and then I'm going to go through the exact same steps that I just did. So since I used a 1.5 on top, I'm going to cut his hairline down to a 1. And what this is going to do is going to allow me to get a crispier shape up, because when you have waves, your hairline curls up. I'm pretty sure anybody out there who has waves can vouch for me. Then I put wave mousse in his hair, and what the wave mousse is going to do is going to allow his hair to lay down, get all of those loose hairs that just sticking up. Is going to lay it down. I'm going to throw the do-rag on top. I always just let him brush his own hair. This is actually my close man's. I've been cutting him since day one, and honestly, he just always been real particular about his waves, so I just always let him brush his own hair. it's crazy just like making this video. Like, this is, like I said, this is my day one man. So I remember just chipping him up during COVID. I've been cutting for 3 years, and I remember just chipping him up, like putting his line back, like fade look crazy. And now just like, I'm a licensed barber, I'm giving him good cuts now. My name is getting out there. Like, I'm working in a barbershop. It's like all the things that I used to talk about back then, they all happening now, and it's just crazy to see. So not to get too much off topic, but I just put the do-rag on him on like medium heat, and just get everything nice and laid down. So to start off with the shape up, like I said before, you want to make sure that you knock everything down around the perimeter of his hairline a little bit shorter than everything else, so it's nice and crispy when you shape it up. So I just work around the back, work around his ear, combing everything down. You want to keep knocking at that line. Then I'm gonna move to the C cups, and then I'm gonna go to the vertical bars. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch as I do the shape up. You know, in this particular cut, we're not going to use any enhancements at all. We're not going to use any blackout fibers, pencil. We're just going to keep it all nice and natural. My client here, he prefers to keep it natural. I've always cut him natural. Never really used enhancements on him. He's not really a big fan of it. I just want to make sure that I'm showing y'all enhanced cuts and natural cuts. Just showing y'all that there's people out there who really just don't like the blacked out look at all. Once I feel like I got everything how I like it, we're gonna lean him back and just take the razor and pull the skin and pull the razor right to the line. Get everything nice and crispy. So as a barber, you want to make sure that you're always going the extra mile and taking an extra step for your clients. So what I like to do is I like to take my trimmers and just go over and knock off those little hairs that can be sticking up. And what this is going to do is going to make the waves pop out a lot. It may not look like I'm doing anything, but I promise you, you're going to see. So this is the final product, guys. Let me know what y'all think down below. Let me know how y'all think I did on this cut. If y'all think I did a bad job, let me know. If y'all think I did a good job, let me know. Like I said, no enhancements on this cut, all natural. Brought my man's back. He's been working for, I think he was working for like 3 months. So yeah, let me know down below what y'all think. Cuts about TB3, and I'm out.